squares, all black and white. Today, we, the chess committee members of KIOCL Limited, formerly known as Kudremukh Iron Ore Company, a public sector enterprise under Ministry of Steel, Government of India, which instigated in 1976, treated as a father of all iron ore beneficiation and pelletization techniques globally, a brand for quality and expertise, which has always encouraged extracurricular activities through its sports and recreation club. Once again, we are enthralled in welcoming all to the inaugural ceremony of this 6th Kudremukh Trophy conducted by KIOCL. With the expertise of conducting Taluk, district, state and national level tournaments earlier, again we have taken this initiative of organizing the 6th Kudremukh Trophy. On this joyous occasion, we are blessed with our Honorable Deputy Commissioner of Dakshin Kannada District, Shri Mulai Mohilan MP, IAS, and our KOCL Chairman cum Managing Director, Shri T. Saminathan, Director Production and Projects, Shri G.V. Kiran, Chief General Manager in charge Mangalore, Shri R.D. Prabhu. I kindly request our Tournament Coordinator and Senior Manager HR and Administration, Shri Chetan K. Shetty, to escort our luminaries to the dais. Prayer is a spiritual transaction with the Creator of heaven and earth, and it is a glow to light up new hopes and opportunities. To invoke the blessings of the Almighty, I request all to please raise from your seats as Shri Sridhar Holla will help us invoke the divine blessings.
पाशांकुशधर परम पवित्र पाशांकुशधर परम पवित्र मूषिक वाहन मुनिजन प्रेमा गजवदन बेडुवे गौरी तनय त्रिजगवंदितने सुजनर पोरे बने गजवदन भेडुवे मोददि निन्नय मोददि निन्नय पादव तोरो मोददि निन्नय पादव तोरो साधुवन्दितने आदरदिन्दले सरसि जनाभ श्री सरसि जनाभ श्री सरसि जनाभ श्री पुरंदर विठलन सरसि जनाभ श्री पुरंदर विठलन निरुतने निवुवंते दयमाडो गजवदन बेडुवे गौरी तनय त्रिजगवंदितने सुजनर पोरे बने गजवदन भेडुवे ओम स्वस्ति.
Thank you, Sridhar Holla, for the wonderful invocation. Lead me from the unreal to the real, from darkness to light, and from death to immortality. A light illuminates to brighten the existence, and its glow brightens our aura and glorifies joy and brightness around. May I please request our dignitaries on the dais to please proliferate the glow of wisdom by kindling the lamp. Welcome is a ray of sunshine to spread the glow of brightness around us. To present the welcome address, I would now request our Chief General Manager in charge Mangalore and President Chess Tournament, Shri R.D. Prabhu, to welcome the guests.
To all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, to all the enthusiastic participants, the parents of the child participants and the august gathering present here for the inaugural ceremony at the 6th Kudremukh Trophy and All India Open Fight Writing Rapid Chess Tournament 2024. As all participants are overflowing with the sportive zeal, I am indeed honored to be bounded for the celestial compulsion of welcoming one and all. Here I would like to mention that apart from successfully conducting taluk, state, national level tournaments, we are once again conducting a national level chess tournament at our township for the 6th time. I am confident that we shall thrive through the 6th trophy peacefully. This time also we are overjoyed by the response and we are indeed happy that along with the youngsters we have many senior citizen participants and grandmasters also. As a part of promoting sports and games in central government public sector units and as per directives of Ministry of Steel, Government of India, we are organizing a 2-day national level chess tournament, 6th Kudremukh Trophy, a national level open fight rating rapid chess tournament 2024 today and tomorrow. We wish that this tournament will be a mark in the history with the highest scoring champion. As the former world chess champion Garry Kasparov had said that chess helps you to concentrate and help solve problems in an uncertain environment. Today we are all here to enjoy a game having its origin in 6th century AD in India and has conquered the world, but it is still hugely popular 15 centuries after its invention. Also, I am honored to welcome all to this event. With a spring in my step, anticipation in my heart, I am overwhelmed in welcoming the chief guest of today's function, a confident personality of optimistic resilience with a diligent nature. Indeed, we are contented to have him here with us as our chief guest, our Honorable Deputy Commissioner of Dakshina Kannada, Sri Mullai Muhilan MP, IAS. A very cordial welcome to you, sir. Sir, as an array of greenery is a pleasure to the soul, I request our Chairman cum Managing Director, Sri T. Saminathan sir, to welcome our Honorable DC sir by offering a sapling. Thank you, sir. I welcome our motivational, beloved Chairman cum Managing Director, Sri T. Saminathan sir, who is here with us to symbolically inaugurate the chess tournament. We are indeed overwhelmed and humbled by the presence of our leader who is amongst us today. A warm welcome to you, sir. I request Chief General Manager Production, Sri P. Palani, to welcome our beloved CMD by offering a sapling. Today, we are obliged to have with us our very supportive and encouraging Director Production and Projects, Sri G.V. Kiran sir. I extend a warm welcome to you, sir, for gracing the occasion. I request Chief General Manager in charge Services, Sri Sripatiyan, to welcome our respected Director Production and Projects by offering a sapling. We are indeed obliged to have the President of Dakshina Kannada Chess Association, Sri Ramesh Kota, and we are indebted in extending a warm welcome to him. Thank you. Delicate task to prevent bigger violations from occurring and smaller violations from escalating by using a professional and yet calming attitude. Yes, really a tough job to be a chess arbiter. On this significant occasion, I am indeed favored in conveying a warm gesture of welcome to our industrious international arbiter, Sri B.H. Vasant, who is the chief arbiter for this event. Indeed, a studious job which can be carried out only by an expert professional who is himself dedicated and incredibly efficient. We are considerably exultant for having international arbiter Sri Vasant with us today. I request Manager HR Sri Ronald M. Pius to welcome him with a flower. Thank you. I welcome Sri Sakshat Yu, International Arbiter. He is here with us. I welcome you warmly for your active support and involvement. And also, I would like to welcome the Deputy Arbiters, Sri Babu Pujari, Srimati Saundarya, Sri Umanath Kapu for the function. Thank you all the arbiters for the wonderful job you are going to perform. And now I request committee members to welcome our arbiters by offering flowers. By Mr. Mahesh. Sri Babu Pujari by Sri Maunesh. Srimati Saundarya by Srimati Madhuri. Sri Umanath Kapu by Sri Royal Kumar. Nayana Kumar. Nayana Kumar. It's really encouraging to see the parents of our junior participants who are immensely excited for the event. Sports are about those incredible moments where sheer human will and desire overcomes the odds to participate in today's event. From the past tournaments, we have seen child participants and senior participants with us, junior and senior participants, and wish you all the very best for the competition. The power of the pen has power unmatched, and today we are indeed delighted to have with us our media friends on this special day. I extend a very warm welcome to each one of you who have come here from various media houses. Welcome you all. Here emphasizes this celebration. I extend a friendly welcome to all the departmental heads, senior officials, officers association, office bearers, Kudremukh Shrama Shakti and Kudremukh Mazdoor Sangh representatives, SC/ST association and WIPS association representatives, and Assistant Commandant CSF and all employees. Welcome one and all, and my hearty wishes and best of luck for all the participants. Do well. Let your splendid moves be a game changer in this exceptional tournament. Thank you.
I would extend a warm welcome to our Chief General Manager in charge Mangalore and President Chess Committee Sri R.D. Prabhu sir. I would request Senior Manager HRND Sri Chetan K. Shetty to welcome him with a sapling. Mind, you can win the whole world. Battling the fears and failures, every small step towards achievement can lead ourselves to a trophy of fame. Trophies we bestow on the winners. May I kindly request our coordinator, Sri Chetan K. Shetty, to escort the dignitaries to unveil the prominent trophies. Today we are here to give a thought to our brains. Statics require observation. One needs to be smarter by playing a smarter opponent in the game of chess. May I request our chief guest, Honorable Deputy Commissioner of Dakshin Kannada, Sri Mulai Mohilan sir, and our respected CMD sir, to please inaugurate the chessboard symbolically. I request our arbiters to please assist them. I request CGM Production, Sri Palani sir, and CGM Services, Sri Sripati sir, to please join them when symbolically inaugurating the tournament. Now, may I kindly request our senior most player, the participant, Sri R.K. Gupta sir, to please be on the dais. R.K. Gupta sir, please come to the dais, as I request our chief guest and our respected CMD sir to please hand over the king of the chess to the senior most participant from Rajasthan and now settled in UP. He was an ex-lawyer and now 84 years of age, traveling all over India and abroad to participate in all chess tournaments all over India and abroad. Enthusiasm, even in this young age. We are extremely delighted today as the persona vouched for realistic leadership and good governance has graced today as our chief guest. Our Honorable Deputy Commissioner of Dakshin Kannada, Shri Mulai Muhilan MP, IAS. I am deeply honored in inviting our Honorable Deputy Commissioner, sir. And now may I take the honor of kindly requesting him to deliver a few words of wisdom on this momentous occasion.
Chairman Co-Managing Director KOCL, Shri G.V. Kiran, Director Production and Projects, Shri Dharmendra Prabhu, Chief General Manager, all members of the KOCL family, and parents and participants, my dear student friends, members from the media, Ellargu Namaskara, very good morning to you all, Sabko Swagat. How many of you are here from Karnataka? It's a majority, okay. From outside Karnataka, from south? Okay, that's great. On the outset, I would really want to thank and appreciate the efforts of KOCL for having thought about giving this platform and having, taken all these efforts to consistently organize this year after year with such professionalism and dedication. So I would like to extend my appreciation and thanks on all of your behalf to the organizing team and the vision behind this thing. I was thinking of asking the chairman and his team as to why you chose chess. Then probably I thought I got the answer. You don't need a mascot for this event. Your company logo itself is a mascot. So Kudremukh logo itself is like chess horse only. So you thought, okay, that will suit, and you chose chess. So it's nice that you are giving this platform, and I wish that this grows in scale and in participation and becomes a national to an international event of repute, and bring all that glory to KOCL and Mangalore and to Karnataka. So I wish all the very best for them. And all the participants here, I believe even the welcome speech and in further also in every place, they're going to tell you why you should play chess. Why are you playing chess? Why are you playing chess? ಯಾಕೆ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಚೆಸ್ ಆಡಿದ್ರೆ? What? Mind game. What do you get? You get what? It's going to help you solve mathematical problems. Okay. What else? Why do you play chess? Why do you like playing chess? Concentration. Batao. Get up, get up, get up. Oh, no. You only. Get up, get up. Improves concentration. Okay. Any other answer? Why are you playing chess? Why have you come to this tournament today? ಏನಕ್ಕೆ? Prize, nice trophy, no? Yeah. Whoever wins the prize, we will make you also stand on that, and we will make you put to this light. Any other answers? Why are you playing chess? And why have you come to this tournament today? You tell what comes to your mind. Don't consult with your parents. Their answers are all wrong. What you are saying is only right. To defeat whom? You want ratings. Okay. Here rated players come, is it? ದರ್ ಗುಡ್ ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? ಗುಡ್. ಹೌ ಡಸ್ ಚೆಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಯು ಫೀಲ್? ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ? ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? You ask all your parents from various different professions, people who are here, who have done lot of things in life. Myself, I am in some career, everybody is in some career, everybody is struggling for what? For being happy. End of the day. So play chess for being happy. You are feeling one with the self, you are happy, you are content. Correct? It excites you. Yes or no? You don't seem to know how much time you have spent when you are playing chess. Yes? Correct? So play for that. Be happy, play for that excitement and joy and happiness and contentment that chess is giving you. Play for that, rest all will come. Rating, cup, everything will come. You don't have to play for that. You play for your contentment, and wherever you are, whatever, whenever you play a game, appear there as a champion. It's all about the mindset. You come there, arrive as a champion. Arrive as a champion. You win the battle first in your mind and come there as a champion. And no game, no opportunity is small or big. Do you all guys believe in luck? Lucky, there are people who are lucky. Vishwanana Anand, Pragnananda, they are all lucky people. No, they lucky or not? You are lucky for having all these parents here today. I would like to appreciate and give my heartfelt, sincere thanks and appreciation to all the parents here. And as a young parent, you are all inspiration for me also. That you've taken your time, effort, and you've given your kid this opportunity. You've taken this effort to bring them here, and you stand by them. Let them go and have their own fun and battle in life. So first of all, and that is not a common thing. I mean, it's selected few who have this mindset, and those are the people who produce such give these opportunities for people, for children. So I would like to thank the parents on the outside. Yes, you are all lucky to have parents like that. Other than that, is there anything called luck? No? Luck is opportunity meeting preparedness ಅಂತ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಕಾಂತಾರ ನೋಡಿದಿರಪ್ಪ? How many of you watched Kantara? When the movie was made, was it a big budget film? Was anybody thinking that they are acting in a very big banner? Understand what I am saying? So every opportunity you have to give your 100%. When that opportunity meets preparedness, that is luck. So you have to appear 100%. You have to give 100% everywhere. You play it for your sake, play for your contentment, happiness, and appear as champions wherever you are. And in every opportunity, give your 100%. I wish you all the very best. And once again, I take this opportunity to thank sincerely all the parents, and keep supporting, and people like you bring glory to the country and make us all proud. So thanks for that. And I wish all the very best to all of you. So enjoy the tournament. Make best use of this opportunity, give your 100%, and each one of you will go back home with contentment as champions. It's not about winning or losing. You will feel happy that you have given your 100%. That is what is all about sports, and I wish all the very best. Once again, I extend my sincere gratitude and appreciation to KUCL and the team who have organized all of this. Really a very well put up show. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳಿ, ಈ ಅವಕಾಶಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Thank you very much, sir, for those enlightening words. Chess is a life game. Step taken back in chess, we can do it in the next match. But in life, a move taken wrong, a wrong move taken cannot be corrected. So we learn a lot of lessons in chess, as Sir has briefly told us, all of you all are masters in chess now, so there's no more issues to tell about chess. We are really overwhelmed, sir, for you having graced our program today. I kindly request our respected CMD, sir, to please present a small memento as a token of gratitude to our chief guest. Thank you very much, sir. Today, among our luminaries, we have our respected Chairman cum Managing Director of KOCL, Sri T. Saminathan, sir. I kindly request you, sir, to please deliver words of wisdom on this occasion.
Yeah, very warm good morning to all of you. And today's Honorable Chief Guest, Sri Mullai Mukhalin, IAS, the Deputy Commissioner, is here with us. My Director Production and Project, Sri G.V. Kiran, and Chief General Manager in charge, Mr. R.D. Prabhu, senior officials, my dear colleagues, the parents and the children, the participants, all the way who had come here for attending this program, media friends, our employees and family members. I warmly welcome all of you for this 6th International Chess Trophy. I think I just would like to tell you that we are making all our efforts to make you comfortable, and at the end of the program we also seek feedback from all of you for improving ourselves in the next tournament also, which we may conduct during the next year. And we sincerely thank each participants and all of you who had come here for making this chess tournament a grand successful. Only one thing I wanted to mention regarding our chief guest. When he took charge as a DC Mangalore, first time I just had an interaction with him. He is such a simple personality, dedicated and helping nature. When I approached him for a small help for our KOCL township, immediately he called the concern and then sort out the issues. We are really very thankful, sir, for your overwhelming support. And we being in Mangalore, a PSU, central PSU under Ministry of Steel, we are contributing to the extent possible to the social upliftment in the local areas wherever our company facilities are there. We also assure you, sir, that whatever supports from our company side is possible, we will certainly extend for the benefit of the local society. The chess, sir has told, being a Kudremukh company, we have chosen this chess tournament. Yes, of course, this is a game. Irrespective of ages, everyone can play. There is no restrictions. And it helps us in developing one's own personality, especially the children, for improving their health, education, and the older people for improving their memory to keep them at good health. And being this game is developed in India or started in India, we are proud to conduct this program and dedicate for all of you. and wish you all the best for making this chess tournament a grand successful. There is no win or lose in the game. Every one of you is the winner, since you have come all the way from various places and participating in the program. So it is a very good opportunity for all of you in the career or in the life to prosper and get better opportunities in the future. And wish you all the best for every one of you, and thank you for the opportunity. Thank you once more.
Thank you is such a prayer that cannot be seen or touched. It must be felt by heart. The success is very important aspect. I would kindly request our Senior Manager, HR and Administration and Tournament Coordinator, Sri Chetan K. Shetty, to present his note for gratitude.
Very good morning to everyone. Life is a mind game, and all you have to do is to know how to play it. In life, as in chess, forethought wins. Chess players are game changers by making the right move with the right forethought. To make a right move, memory and mental stamina are the key attributes for the chess players, and the stamina is encouraging is the key note. And today, we all are gathered here for the attending 6th Kudremukh Trophy tournament to be held today. On this behalf, our chief guest, Honorable Deputy Commissioner and District Magistrate of Dakshina Kannada, Shri Mullai Mohilan, MP, IAS, I on behalf of every one of us and especially on behalf of KOSL management, I thankful to our Deputy Commissioner Mullai Mohilan sir. Thank you very much sir. I also would like to thank our CMD, Chairman cum Managing Director T. Saminathan, who is immensely supporting us and to conduct this event for all the in national level and all the participants come over here. My deep thanks to our Chairman cum Managing Director on behalf of all of us. Thank you sir. I also would like to thank our one more director, production and projects, Shri G.V. Kiran, who is always assisting us and supporting on behalf of this event. I thank you very much sir. The guiding and encouraging is one more personality is our Chief General Manager in charge Mangalore, Shri R.D. Prabhu, who are already gathered here. I thank you very much sir. Support extended for the event. Thank you. Dakshina Kannada Chess Association for the gracious presence here. I also would Vasant, International Arbiter, for his utmost help extended for this event. Thank you. Sakshat UK and Mr. Babu Pujari and Umanath Kapu and Saundarya here, all the professionals are here to support us. I deeply thank you. I would like to thank all the senior officials are gathered here and supported to conduct this event. Thank you and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे बोलो भारत माता की।